Another new track, North Florida Motorplex. We made it. We were supposed to test last night. Got here a day earlier than what we had planned on because there was some testing. Got here, big hail and rainstorm, and it just didn't happen.
Yep. If it would rain in Oklahoma as much as it rained here last night,
Torrential flooding.
We would be done for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So
here it just soaked up and you can't even tell. Man, this track looks pretty good.
Yeah. The track is good too. And they told us that there's a little downhill shutdown.
Yeah.
That's just the curvature of the earth.
Yeah.
You know, that ain't no big deal.
We better not have no flat earthers in here.
We're gonna be all right, man. We're gonna see if we can't run with Kai and Ryan.
Yep. I mean, that sun's gonna beat down. It's gonna
get hot and a little bit greasy.
Yeah. It's not bad right now, though.
Not tonight, but tomorrow.
Yeah. So we're here. We're getting everything, or the guys are getting everything set up over there. And I don't know, we're going to check out the facility, I think.
We're going to check out the track. This is the first time we've got a chance. It's like 12, I don't know, 1 maybe. I don't think we do anything until
like
5 or 6 tonight.
Yeah.
So.
Yep.
We're just kind of having a lazy old day, you know?
Just hanging out.
Just hanging around.
Yeah.
The first line is on the right-hand side.
Day 2 here at North Florida
Motorplex?
Motorplex. North Florida Motorplex. It's been a long day and we haven't done anything at all.
Oh, this thing.
Also, we need a new toolbox, guys. Somebody's got to be a Mac dealer.
Well, the problem is I don't hate the toolbox.
Yeah.
It's just falling apart. And if we could find another one to fit in here just perfectly, we would. But this was just falling apart.
Yeah.
There's just rollers everywhere. Look.
Little BBs everywhere.
Just BBs everywhere.
We ain't had a Red Ryder in many years.
I mean, we made 3 good licks yesterday.
I mean, we come off the trailer, made a really good one when I don't know if anyone else on our class did. I was pretty stoked about that. That was pretty cool.
Yeah. I mean, it ran exactly what we told it to run.
The track seems really good.
It is really good. Like, I didn't expect it to be this good.
I didn't either. Even with it as hot as what it is outside, the air's terrible. The heat is just beating down. The sun is. And the track is still pretty good.
Yeah.
It's not, after everything that they've sprayed on it, it's not greasy.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's the people that are prepping the track,
Got a pretty good handle on it.
they got a good handle on it, for sure. So we pulled into the track and it's pouring rain.
And hail.
And it's hailing everywhere. And we thought, man, if it rained like this in Oklahoma, we wouldn't be able to race for weeks.
No.
In fact, it is raining like this in Oklahoma. And I'm not even gonna be able to pull this rig into my house. That's how bad it is. So, but there's, I guess, 8 cars here. One of them is still on its way. This was a couple hours ago. It may be here by now. But if not, there will only be 7. So, 7 cars, and honestly, I don't care who I get. I'd like to not race Ryan first round, as always.
Yeah.
Other than that, I'm okay. We got something in it. We decided not to go and make our first test pass today. There's no sense in it at 4:30 when it's this hot. We're gonna make another one, our first one at 5:30, and then I think that we start racing at 7. So we will draw however they're gonna do it. I don't know if they're doing it out of a bucket.
Or they're just going to tell us who we're going to race? Or
I don't know. So I'm okay with it. And man, if I could cut a light, we'll see what happens. So 3 test passes. We made 3 good passes. I didn't cut 1 good light. Not a anything light. The car is slow off the button. Probably because it's slow to the 60 foot. But
yeah.
What it is, I guess. I don't know. I need to figure something else out. I don't know if the valve body is slower in this car, but even testing the other day, I didn't cut any good lights with this car. I don't get it. So I better tighten up, or we could get outran on the tree.
There's always that possibility. I think you'll be all right when you're really focusing on it.
I'll really focus on this test pass and we'll see.
Yeah.
But we threw a little something in it. We took our 2 passes from last night, our really good pass, and then our one that was a little bit too hot, but it was better in some areas, and we just kind of made one. So we'll go up there and we'll see what it's like. And we'll know a little more after that.
Yeah, so like you said, 7 or 8 cars here. There's Ryan, Kai, us, and then the Junkyard Stewed, or whatever they call it, is here.
Junkyard Stewed's here, and then other than that, there's a few locals.
Yep.
Which looked pretty good.
Yeah, no, there's a couple
a Triple X car here that, was he the one that was calling everybody out?
I don't have any idea.
And then there was a blue Mustang in testing last night, but I don't know, I guess he loaded up and went home.
Well, bye.
Said he wanted to run radials.
There's a radial race up at Steel this weekend.
That's what I heard. So, other than that, there's a couple Mustangs. Look like nitrous cars.
Yep.
So,
kind of a given that there's a bunch of Mustangs here. So, then there's the one car, the Chevy 2 with the screw on it that made the pass up there.
they made a pretty good lick.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. They, I guess they had been having some crank trigger issues. and it seemed to go good on that pass.
Yeah.
But we'll finish getting the car ready here and wait for them to call us up, and we'll go make one and then get ready for round one.
Hopefully we go right down.
I think we will.
It's always better to go right down, and then you got some data to work with, which is real-time data. We got real-time data, but it was from yesterday. So.
Yep. So we'll get it ready and see what happens here.
Yep.
That did not go how I had envisioned it when we went up there.
100% driver error, man. Like, yeah, we didn't make the best pass, but if I don't cut any kind of a light, we still would have won. I don't understand. I've struggled all week to cut a decent light, and the best I've gone all week is a 070. I don't know. I literally saw the green on that one. I don't know. I saw the green and I thought, damn it, you know, let go of the button. And as soon as I let go of the button, the car wasn't happy. As soon as I let go of the button, it gets out there, it starts hazing the tires. And then full blown just starts spinning the tires, like white smoke off of them, and just wasn't happy, man.
Yeah.
Pedaled the car. Car ended up sticking again, but man, he was at the 60 foot before I even let off. Gathered it up, started rolling out the back.
I mean, you probably had 30 mile an hour on the guy.
Yeah.
I'm sure when you went by it was scary.
That's why I stayed in it for so long. And then, I don't know, man. It was my fault. It sucks. And we talk about this a lot. We talk about you win on the tree and you lose on the tree. And it's been a while since we've lost on the tree.
Yeah. I seen that you were late, or, you know, it was a combination of he cut a really good light and I seen you were late, but I wasn't worried about it because I felt like we had the car covered, but then our car just didn't do what we told it to. So it was a bad combination of things. I guess there's a chance we could get back in though. Is that a thing?
I don't know, man. With the how dewy this track gets, it's already 9 o'clock. By 11, they're done out here.
Yeah.
So I can't see them letting anybody else back in. But they said something about out of the 6 people that lost that round, 3 people was drawn back in. I don't understand it. I don't know. If they come over and tell me that we're back in, so be it. Other than that, whatever.
Yeah.
It is what it is. Like, I'm already at this point just mad that I lost this race for us. So it's been a while since we've had to worry about not being able to cut a light, and I don't understand. I don't know what else to do to cut a light in this car that doesn't like the 60 foot, but I have to figure it out and either get in deeper, do something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out at some point.
Yeah, I mean the 070, that wasn't bad.
Yeah, but you got Kai over here going red every pass, trying to slow down his lights.
Yeah.
And then you got me going, I don't know what else to do. That's as fast as I can leave.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, chip draw in 15 minutes.
What a mess, man.
Yep, it sucks for sure.
Come down here and just 100% shit show.
Yeah.